Hey there, awesome viewers. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of procurement, where the magic happens behind the scenes to make sure our businesses thrive and shine. So, you might be thinking, what's the big deal about procurement? Well, my friends, it's not just about clicking buy and hoping for the best. No. Buckle up as we take you through the incredible 13 stages of the procurement life cycle. Get ready to discover the hidden gems of success in this epic adventure. Step 1. Defining your business needs. This is like mapping out your dream castle. You gotta know exactly what you need to grow your kingdom, from pens to dragons. Well, not real dragons, but you get the idea. Now, let's move on to step 2, analyzing the market. It's like browsing a mega mall with countless options. You'll find everything that can fulfill your business dreams. Alright, stage 3 is all about forming a sourcing strategy. Think of it as plotting a treasure hunt to snag the best possible deals from suppliers. In stage 4, we put on our Sherlock Holmes hats and investigate the current market conditions. Time to ask, hey, do we need to make any tweaks in our process? It's all about staying ahead of the game. Next up is stage 5, where we determine our supplier selection criteria. It's like picking your dream team. You need more than just skill, you need the perfect fit. Alright, stage 6 is where we narrow down the options and invite the cream of the crop to bid on our business. Imagine it like a reality show, but instead of roses, it's contracts. Now, stage 7 is where the real fun begins, sending out those invitations. It's like summoning powerful wizards with their proposals and deadlines. Let the bidding wars commence. Time for stage 8, evaluating supplier bids. It's like being a judge in a talent show, only here we're looking for the perfect supplier to bring our dreams to life. Stage 9, contract negotiations. We sit down with our chosen supplier and lock in all the juicy details. It's like sealing a magical pact to make all our business dreams come true. Stage 10 is all about taking delivery of the goods. It's like opening a treasure chest and checking if everything we ordered is there. Don't forget to pay our supplier, they're our business allies, after all. Stage 11, time to review our vendor relationships. Think of it as a friendly catch-up to make sure everyone's happy with the deal. Adjustments? We got this. Now, stage 12 is all about maintaining communication with our suppliers. It's like having a superhero hotline, where we can call for backup or celebrate our victories together. And finally, stage 13, the grand finale. Think of it as the ultimate checkup to make sure our procurement is still on point. If not, no worries. We'll make the necessary tweaks to keep our business booming. So, there you have it, amazing viewers. The 13-step procurement life cycle may seem like a lot, but it's the secret sauce to ensuring our business's success. No more wasteful spending or disruptions, just pure growth and prosperity. Remember, each stage is like a stepping stone towards our dreams, where we call the shots, create amazing relationships, and keep our business ship sailing smoothly. So, take the plunge into the enchanting world of procurement and embrace the journey of empowerment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your fellow business adventurers. Stay optimistic, stay curious, and keep shining bright. Until next time, stay awesome.